Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created my daughter's Jojo Siwa inspired birthday party. It was such an easy setup and I hope you enjoy it. Down below you'll be able to find the links to the items that I purchased along with the links to my other YouTube videos which shows how I made custom Jojo Siwa bags, chips, and juices. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Stay tuned as I show you how I created this easy Jojo Siwa inspired birthday party. Thank you guys. This video you will also notice a custom DIY project that I found on Pinterest. It is a number 4 balloon project and I'll also include that link below, and it was super easy, but it did take a lot of time. Well, not a lot of time, but I was pushed for time because I decided to create that the day before the party and I had so much more things that I had to do on my list. But if you have the time, it is such an easy setup, and yes, I enjoy creating this party, so just stay tuned. So right now you can see me putting up a Jojo Siwa backdrop. This backdrop is actually a curtain that I purchased off of Amazon. You can use anything as a backdrop, and for people who love Jojo Siwa, as you know, they are limited backdrops that you can find in order to use for your party. So I was like, you know what, let me see if I can find a curtain, and I went on Amazon, I typed it in, and I found it very late, so I had to pay an extra $25 for shipping, but all in total it came up to about $56. I'll put that link below, but it wasn't really expensive. It was less than $60. So yes, I'll definitely put the link below. And I purchased a backdrop, but it wasn't tall enough for me, so my mom gave me the idea of using the curtain, but it's not a curtain rod. I'm still using the backdrop rod, but I'm putting it on the curtain rod holder. So as right now I'm slipping on the pink sequin curtains. I decided to purchase that so I can bring out the backdrop a little bit more. You can use a solid color. I decided that I wanted to go with pink because that's my daughter's favorite color. But you can go with any color that you notice in the backdrop. So Jojo Siwa is a very colorful person, so you can have used pink, blue, yellow, purple, or green. But being that pink is my daughter's favorite color, I decided to go with that color, and it turned out very pretty. The sequin curtains, it came 2 in 1 packet, and it was about $22, which was a cheap steal because for her first birthday party, I purchased a sequin tablecloth, and I had to go to the fabric store, and the fabric store charged me about $100 just for the cloth to cover the table, and I found this to be such a steal. So I'll also leave that link below. And now I'm using a fitted pink table cover. I also got this table cover on Amazon. I got it with my Prime shipping, so it came within I want to say 2 days. And after I added this on, I purchased a tutu. I also purchased a pink tutu from Amazon, but I didn't like the quality of it. So I found this other website called Tablecloth Factory, if I'm not mistaken, and they sold tutus on there for about $30. But as I stated, I was so last minute with putting everything together that I had to pay for extra shipping. So that's where the cost exceeded my budget, but it was still a decent price. So now I'm adding these custom Jojo Siwa bags that I made, which were super easy. I'm also going to leave that link below as I stated earlier in the video. I purchased the pink bag separately. I added a Jojo Siwa sticker and some regular bowls that I found from the store. And I put it on this white prop that I found from, where did I get it from? I believe I got it from IKEA. And I think that was also less than $30. So right now I am adding the velcro clips onto the pink fitted tablecloth. And after I add the clips onto the tablecloth, then you'll see me attach the pink tutu tablecloth to it. you're placing the velcro clips onto the fitted tablecloth, make sure that you have some to go all around the border. Make sure that you have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 Velcro clips. If the table is bigger, I advise you to buy some extras. But if it's just this standard small table, then about 10 clips will just be fine. When placing the tablecloth onto the Velcro clips, I would advise you to start from the side and not the front, just so people can't see where it started from. So you notice that I went from the side, then I went to the front, then the side, and now I'm at the back. And then I'm going to connect it on the side. So I would just advise you to start from the side, just so you could make it look a little professional. So after I'm finished placing the tablecloth onto the clip, then I'll just go back around and I'll fluff out the TuTu material, just so you can get the effect of it. It looks very, very different in person. I know the camera can't always capture the details of what I'm trying to show you guys, but it looked very, very pretty in person. So yeah, just fluff it out a little bit. For some people, if you're more in tune with DIY projects, you can also add some